What's up, guys? Sorry for that late intro. And so today, we're exploring a haunted house. Well, a haunted woods that is actually in my backyard. And it's pretty weird. Oh my! Well, I just broke my phone. Whoa. Okay, as you guys just heard. I'm gonna get my screen off. Sorry about that, guys. This phone is just dirty, but I did upgrade it. Better audio and stuff. There's the woods, so we're going in. I don't have a flashlight. I will get a flashlight pretty soon. I can go in the tunnel, but you guys won't be able to see like anything in the tunnel. So the girl died over here. And the blue mark is still there. Oh my god, a mosquito just got me. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, so as you guys can see, the blue mark right there on the tree. And the girl died about right here on the bushes. And I'm pretty scared because I saw her one time. And she was dead at the time. I saw her. And she was kind of glowing, and I was freaking out. I thought it was just a next door neighbor, but I actually saw it. And I wish I would have got it on tape, but there's the blue mark. And it's over here somewhere is where she died. I don't remember, but I don't know what the frick she was doing. She got shot. Yes, there was a shooting in 1995. She apparently died. She was 28. And I'm in her woods right now, and I'm just gonna stand here until something happens. And the mosquitoes, like the frickin' mosquitoes, getting me. Here's a mosquito, just killed it. But yeah, guys. The stupid mosquitoes, guys. I'm gonna have to leave and go over here. But yeah, there's like right here is the entrance. You guys can see that. Oh, there's a spider web. I'm pretty scared because frick. Mosquito following me? So, guys, I'm in one mosquito. No mosquito place. And there's the woods. What the frick? Oh my god, guys. I think I see something. You guys see it? Oh, what the frick? Oh no, that's just a stick. Okay. And also, guys, there's her ball. That's actually her ball. It's been here for years. And I didn't want to touch it, guys, so I wanted you to see it since I had time. That is actually a ball that's been there for years. And I don't know if it's her ball or if it's a random ball, because we never bought a yellow ball. I mean, I'm serious. I don't even know who the frick's ball this is. It's just over here. But I'm guessing it's hers. And, yeah, I mean, it's all flat and stuff. I'm not going to touch it just in case, like, I don't know, fingerprints. No. There's not going to be no police over here. Ow, and the mosquitoes are still following me. They found me. Yep, they found me. Oh, frick. Oh my god, there's like a freaking bunch of them. Okay, guys, 3 likes, and I'll go ahead and do like for the Splash Squad channel, and I'll jump on the trampoline and go in the tunnel. You guys, we didn't get that many likes on the other video, like the Critter Squad. We didn't get but like 4 likes, and I asked for 5. But it was really close until it got deleted. But as you guys can see, there's no yellow ball. We never bought a yellow ball. And it's pretty weird. I don't know what the frick is wrong. But yeah, guys, there is more haunted places around here, and that's not the only one. And we didn't get anything this time. But, and I'm gonna go in and What was that? I just heard the door slam. Don't know if I should go in here. Hello? Whoa, camera just got really laggy. My cell phone. That scooter wasn't there. And that bike wasn't knocked over for sure. What else was missing? The helmets are moved. What the This is so weird. What is that? Listen, guys. Listen. What the frick? What was that? No.